gonna try to look into the camera lens because I have an issue doing that. So I'm upstairs in the guest bedroom this morning. It's cold. It's cold on the main level. Not sure what's going on with our thermostat. The thermostat is working perfectly fine upstairs, perfectly fine in the basement. But when it comes to that main level, where our bedroom is, it is cold. It currently says 63. And I have it on 70. Yeah, moment of silence. So, call my good girlfriend's husband, and he did make some suggestions that it could be something going on. Like right now, I'm gonna stand up here and see if yeah, see, this is some good heat coming out of here. Oh, hold on, my husband's calling. Okay, I'm back. So I had to tell my husband about what's happening with the heat. And what else did I do? Oh, logged on, finally got Jory's yearbook ad, her template completed. I'm so excited. She's a 5th grader, so she will be having a 5th grade graduation and all, you know, all of that. It's the same month of my birthday, so I was trying to think if I wanted to do her a little, you know, graduation party type thing because she'll be going to middle school. We had a whole like dinner when I was in 5th grade. We wore all white and it was just a thing. So I'm trying to think if I want to do the same thing for my jewelry. And what else? I'm gonna log in, time to log in for work, get some work done. I may check back in on my lunch break, but that's all I have going on at the moment. I may, the pool guy just left, but the pool, you can see like the leaves have started to like fall to the bottom. So I may go out there and turn on the pool cleaner and then just kind of get some leaves out of the pool because the wind has just been blowing fiercely, ferociously, like all of that. And it's very cold if you ask me. I feel like in Georgia, this feels like our winter right now. And it's like it's skipping over the fall weather. I want the fall weather to come back because I want to sit on my patio with my fire pit. I want to go out in our backyard to our fire pit that I just bought like the fire pit chairs and stuff. So I really want to catch a vibe. So I need this brisk cold weather to find somewhere else to go. So let me get my laptop, log in for work. Look, a hot mess. I put this little y'all, my office is a hot mess, but I put this little turd ball thing up here just to keep my hair stretched. Of course I would come up here and there's no laptop, so let me go and find my laptop so I can log in and do some work, and I will catch y'all about lunchtime. Okay, so the hubby is home from work and he decided to do a little touch-up painting around our island because this area is where we actually sit to eat. We don't really utilize our other kitchen table. So you can just imagine how it gets scratched, the kids splash and do all the things. And the stairway here is also another high traffic area where it tends to need some touch-up painting every now and then, just from the kids sliding down, sliding up. My office is up there, so it's really a high traffic use area. So he's just gonna do some touch-up painting where he sees fit. And then yeah, these rails were brown when we moved here, and I thought the black just made it pop. So my husband ended up turning the robot cleaner on. But for some reason, she keeps stopping and starting. And it basically cleans up everything on the bottom. So I'm gonna have to come by and like skim the top where the leaves got in here. But are you done? She was just rolling. Maybe it's on a timer. So maybe it ran for the hour and I got out here a little late. But I have to skim the top to get all the debris up. And sometimes it's like, it's not even worth it. Because when the wind blows, it's going to blow it right back in here. We're looking into getting a cover. But honestly, since we have a pool guy, we don't really want to cover it up. Because I actually just like seeing the blue. Well, it's not really blue water, but you know, the pool water from just inside the house. It just brings me so much joy and ease. So, we shall see. Okay, let's go some more shopping. The kids are home from school, so we're going to go grab the ingredients to make the s'mores. The dollar store only had the chocolate bars, and then I also got some Hershey Kisses to put in my little glass ornament that I won at a family event. But before I go to the next store, I promised the kids that they would get a sweet treat. So we're going to pop into their favorite yogurt bar, so stay tuned so you can see what their favorite toppings are.
Sure. What's going on?
Hi. Yep.
I'm glad we saved them. Yeah, they weren't doing very well in the container. Oh, wait. Okay, tell me when.
Oh my God, did y'all see that? That's the craziest thing I ever seen. It's like they just wanted me to grab them. Like, hey, here I am. Okay, so we got the marshmallows that jumped out at us. Now let's find the graham crackers. Hopefully they have some. Yep, got them right here.
Enough. Oh.
Is it gonna fit?
Oh man.
Gotta take some out. Perfect. Hershey Kisses. So I won this at our family get together, and it's so stinking cute.
Yeah. You have to.
Why are you on the vlog? I hope you can hear me over the noise. I scared my husband, by the way. But we're gonna blow all of this off so we can come and do our s'mores this evening. And get a lot of this out and then use some of this wood here that my uncle and them, my two uncles. Oh, my battery's about to die. They chopped down a few trees this summer, so we just piled them up here so we can use them for now. Working out pretty good. Okay guys, so I don't really clean the pool like super duper clean because it's just gonna, you know, it's just gonna, you know, get back dirty. But I did just enough that I feel like it's clean enough. And then I love our pool cleaner. This is a Nolly. I'll link the thing below, but basically it comes with these like filters or whatnot. What happened? Oh, it's telling my battery is low. Okay, sorry, but it comes with these like filters, and then you just have to dump them out. See all that? So I'll just go dump them. Then I'll be right back. So as you saw this morning, it was cleaning. So it's two of these, and I'm gonna put it back. Whew, that's a lot. I'm gonna put it back in to get the rest of the debris from the bottom. Okay, so I'm back. So basically I'm just gonna let it go again. So as you can see, it climbs up the wall to get any type of like algae and all of that off of the wall as well. And then it'll come on down and do its thing. So now it's just going up the wall, cleaning. But yeah, I love that machine. Hey guys, so we've blowed the yard, what my husband did, and now I'm just sitting in the back enjoying the fire pit with my glass of wine. Let me show y'all. Let me see if I can turn it around and show you guys this little fire pit. So this little ensemble was here when we moved here. I'm not sure what I want to do with this area. I think I want to get like a lot of pea gravel or like the river rocks and kind of make it, I'll post a picture to kind of fill this out. I know that would be like a lot of rocks, but then I want to have some type of string lights coming from like that tree to that tree. Something. I'll figure it out. Or I may just get some posts and put like 4 and then have like the string lights coming from the top. But I know I want the string lights, and I don't know I want some type of gravel or river rock here, because we want to initially knock that fence down, because they split the yard in half for some reason. We're thinking it was because they had animals and maybe one animal didn't get along with the other or something, because all that was fenced off. My husband tore half of that down, but then there's a gate right there that led to this little walkway to come down to the fire pit. So I'm not sure what I want to do with it yet. But it's just something in the making. What are you about to do? You got a lot going on, sir. I gotta pay attention. I gotta watch him. Cause he swear he's the fire chief, marshal, something. So yeah, it's just after work, relaxing. Where is he going? I don't know. But yeah, so wind down. I can't say wind down Wednesday because today is actually Thursday. And we are a little different. We do wings on Thursdays. I can't remember what lens I'm supposed to be looking at, but we do wings on Thursdays because Thursdays I have meetings at night. And instead of trying to figure out food, we just opted to do wings on Wednesdays. And then I also have meetings on Tuesdays. And so Tuesdays, we normally do some type of Mexican, like Taco Tuesday. So it's like tacos, or like last Tuesday we did taco soup, enchiladas, you know, anything like that. And so that's what we'll be having for dinner. But I bought this stuff to make the s'mores. I gotta pay attention to my husband because he got this fire blaze. Woo! Y'all hear that? Oh, it's going now. Let me show y'all. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's going. So we're going to get this fire cracking so we can make some s'mores. I wanted to do it before dinner, but I mean after dinner, because it's kind of like a dessert. But it's gonna have to be before dinner, before the sun goes down, before it gets too cold out here. Because my kids normally take their bath at 8, so they can be in the bed at 9. So we have to eat like 6 or 7. So I'll come back when we start the roasting. Okay, so I thought my daughter was gonna bring everything out here, but she didn't. So we got the graham crackers, Hershey's, and then she brought us a few marshmallows. So this is what we have, and we're gonna start roasting. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I cannot find my work laptop to save my life. I had it yesterday. Thought I brought it in and I have no idea. So I'm gonna look for that. Just came back from dropping the kids off at school. I'm gonna make my bed, then edit some videos before I start work. So I'll catch y'all in a few. But I know some of you may ask about this steamer. It's a steamer slash iron, and we use it more so for ironing than steaming. But I did want to steam my sheets this morning because they get wrinkly as you go to bed at night. So this is the Conair. I'll link it in the description below. I hope I don't forget. But in the meantime, I'm about to go and look for my laptop once more. I really don't know what it is. I got an hour. Plan to do some editing before I start work. And then I'm gonna start work, get through my work day. And we don't really have anything planned for today. We have some events happening the weekend. My daughter has 2 parties to go to. She has a birthday gathering tomorrow night, a sleepover. And then she has another birthday on Sunday. My son has a football game tomorrow, so I may catch some footage of that. You may catch us on a Target run today. I'm not sure. But I need to take back this Falcon shirt. So you saw in last week's video, we went to the Falcons game. Well, I had got this other shirt here, but when I tell y'all I put this shirt on, it was like tight. So I got to take it back. But the one that was smaller than this, I could fit. It was weird. Oh, this is a boy's. That's why. It's little boy size. And a large. Yeah, I couldn't do it. So yeah, I gotta take this back and then we'll catch you on the next one. Okay, guys, I just got off the phone with my husband. Let me find a light. I just got off the phone with my husband, and he was like, I seen this somewhere. Go look downstairs in the basement. Look at the chairs. Look outside. But I brought it from outside, so I don't understand why it would. I looked when I was at the top of the balcony thing here, patio thing. I looked and I didn't see. Y'all, it's out here. It's out here. It stayed the night. Pray for me. I keep looking in the wrong lens, though. But pray for me. Laptop, freezing cold. Freezing cold. But it is what it is. I'm glad he knew. I'm glad he knew. I feel like every time I come on here to talk to y'all, I look busted. But this is me, y'all. I'm not the girly girl that most people think I am. I'm just very simple, and I just like to walk around with loungewear and a bun and no makeup. All right, got my laptop, so I'm gonna start doing some editing before I start work. Catch y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try to get better at this. So this time I did turn my camera. I still feel like I should swap this. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I hope this projects. Okay. All right, so headed to grab lunch. The hubby said he's almost home, so I'm gonna go grab some lunch. So this is just a quick outfit of the day. I did comb my hair today. Aren't you excited? So I threw my hair up in a bun. I think I got this little headband from like Claire's. Pick earrings. I actually can't remember where I got these from. They are very old. I think it was like a natural hair show or something like that. But I'm just a tank top, this kimono here, jeans. I'm sure from, oh, these are from New York and Company, actually. It was a Soho brand. I've had them for years. As you can see, they are very, very distressed. Belt Express. It's actually reversible, so it's black on this side. So I love it. I can do this color or black. And then the shoes, I can't remember. I'm gonna look it up. It may have been like Target or something. Yeah, so that's the outfit of the day. And then I'm gonna eat and then get back to work. Nothing major happening. I do have to put the laundry in the dryer, and then we'll see what happens with that. Woo! The sun is out here. So we're gonna go to the coin machine. This thing here got some change that she wants to go and cash in. So I cannot do this, Jesus. Woo. Yeah, we'll be back to know how it goes. So we got it. This was pretty cool. It took $5 for the service fee, but it went through.
All right, so you have 88. You have 20, 40, 45, 46.
All right, what do you say? Thank you. All right, guys, so we're at Target. The girl got her cash and she wants to spend it. And then I have to bring back this this Falcon shirt. So that's all we got going on today, and we'll see you in a few. Okay, so we're in Target. I have to get, let's find a card that has like the monetary value. Jory has a sleepover to go to, and so we're gonna find a birthday card so she can give. We need to find the one that you can put like money in. Okay, we'll go back. Picking up Jory from her sleepover. Her jammy. Stop. All right, we are here. We are headed to see Wakanda Forever. We're so excited and we can't wait to see you in the next video.